Have you ever wondered what truly happens when you breathe? Breathing is something we do thousands of times daily, yet it differs greatly from the intricate process of respiration. Think of breathing as a delivery service. It's the physical act of inhaling and exhaling air, managing the intake of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide. This process can be controlled consciously or occurs automatically. In contrast, respiration is a vital chemical process happening inside your cells. Once oxygen enters your body, your cells utilize it to break down food, like glucose, generating energy. This energy production creates carbon dioxide, which must be expelled. Thus, while breathing transports oxygen in and carbon dioxide out, respiration operates at a cellular level, enabling life itself. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember that you're not merely filling your lungs. You're igniting a complex reaction that empowers every cell in your body, showcasing the beautiful collaboration between lung mechanics and the chemistry of life.